guys, you are once again welcome to the Ryde channel. You know, on the Ryde channel it's all about cars and bikes. Today we have something special for you, but before we get to that, I just want to encourage you to subscribe. Most of you, our viewers, are not subscribed to the Ryde channel. Now when you subscribe, it enables us to bring you bigger, better things and our videos to reach a wider audience. So just do us that favor and click the subscribe button, and also comment, like, and don't forget to share with your loved one all the good things that we are bringing to you. Today we have for you something really special, and it is in the form of a Ryde review. What bike or car am I reviewing today? Today I have a car for you. It is a small car, but it has very huge ambitions, and it is in the form of the Suzuki S-Presso. A very nice car. So we'll go into the details, and I'll give you all the ones and twos about this car. Let's go. Alright guys, the Suzuki S-Presso. Now I mentioned earlier that it is a small car but has huge ambitions. What is this huge ambition? It's all about utility. It is bringing you a whole lot of utility. In which way is this car bringing you utility? It is designed by Suzuki to have all the features that it needs to bring you that utility. If it is people you want to carry, it is small, but it can carry a lot of people. If it is luggage, cargo that you want to carry, it is small, but it can carry all the luggage you want to carry. If it is going over very challenging terrain, it is small, but with this ground clearance, it can really go over very rough terrain. In here, it has a 1.0 3-cylinder engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, and all the power goes to the front wheels. Now talking about wheels, this car has a 14 rim steel wheel. Okay, now people say, oh, now in the world of alloy wheels, what are we doing with steel wheels? Now for utility, it is better to have steel wheels, because I mean, if you are going over a very rough road and you dent a steel wheel, you can just hit it and it will straighten up, and you can just pump it and you are good to go. But if you are using an alloy rim, you are going to crack it and you will have to buy a new one. Okay, so steel wheel, that is one of the advantages of having a steel wheel. All right, now let us go to the sides. You have very modern looking side mirrors. Now these are not powered side mirrors. I told you that this car is all about utility, so it has a manual control on the inside. You just turn it and within seconds you are good to go. If you don't have a lot of power, don't worry, it's manual. Just use your hand, turn it, and you are good to go. All right, now you see it has very flush door handles. The advantage of this is wind resistance. Okay, you have very little drag, so it cuts down your fuel economy. You also have it the same at the back here, and it is body colored, so it looks very incognito, hiding into the rest of the car. Now when we come back to the back here, you can see that the car has very muscular shoulders. That is going to hint at its macho pretensions. Yes, it is pretentious, but it brings you performance. Let us go to the back. Okay, now over here at the back you have a very solid hatch. Okay, now you just open from the inside or with a key, and you just lift it up just like that. Okay, very simple but functional. No faffing around matter here, just straight to the point. Okay, so you open it up like that. All right, you fold the seat. Now look at the boot. Look at how much cargo area you have in here. Now let me show you. Let me show you what this car can do. Look at me, a huge man like me, and look at me. This car can swallow me whole. Wow! So you can imagine how much cargo this car can take. Yeah, very simple but functional. That is what we are looking for. It does the business. It delivers the goods. Wow, that is the Suzuki S-Presso. Let's go to the inside and let us show you all the other things that it has to do the job and deliver to you utility. Let's go. Yes, everything is straight to the point. Okay, all right, now let's get inside. 5-speed manual transmission. 5-speed manual transmission. Look at it. Wow. They don't make them like this anymore, you know. They don't make them like this anymore. They don't do them like this anymore. Everything is straight to the point. No libby laba laba. It's all about functionality to bring you utility. So here, that is it. Simple. No buttons, no heated steering wheel, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. It's just straight to the point. Down here, I have a 5-speed manual transmission. You don't see them like this anymore. But what this delivers for you is functionality. Straight to the point. A to B. Deliver the goods. Okay? Here in the instrument cluster, I have all the other things that I need, the most essentials. Okay? So I have AC, single zone AC, and the controls are here straight to the point. I have fan speed, I have temperature, I have my directional switch here. Then okay, when you go down here, I have a cigarette lighter socket if I want to plug in any items that I need to keep juiced up. Okay, then down here I have 2 cup holders, and I have a cubby area where I can put keys or a few other things that also at ends. Okay, then the front passenger doors and the driver's door are power operated, so I have the buttons over here with my hazard button in the middle. Then I have this double din stereo over here. Now this might look Spartan, but it is not Spartan in the form of function, because it can take USB and it can take an aux in, so you can plug whatever device you have that you wash to give you some tunes. You can plug it in and it will deliver the goods for you. Also, you have a display here that gives you all the function. In addition, it gives you Bluetooth audio. All right, so you have all the things. You can also pair your mobile phone and use it as a hands-free mobile phone system. The instrument cluster is digital. Everything is digital, from the fuel gauge to the temperature gauge to the speedometer to the odometer. Everything is digital. Very, very, very straight to the point. Very nice, beautiful car. All right, I'll take you for a ride. So hop in. Let me take you around. All right, guys. There we go. We're going for a ride. Yeah. The 3-cylinder engine roars to life. Always buckle up. Yeah, I push my clutch down. The very, very easy gear lever I push into first. I release my handbrake. Then I'm going to tease the accelerator. There we go. Wow, very easy to drive. Look at that. So cheerful and simple. Wow. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Simple, straight to the basics. Let's see. Wow, easy to drive, so maneuverable, man. Oh, that guy is so nice and simple. You don't have to worry about anything in this car. You just have to drive, carry your cargo, carry people. 3 adults in the back, 1 front here in the passenger seat, and you also relax. Yeah, you have these fabric seats, very, very simple, you know, but functional, and they are comfortable. And I guess it will be comfortable for anybody of reasonable size, you know. Also, you have this shelf, parcel shelf here. You can use it to hold some odds and ends. Apart from the 2 cup holders here, you also have bottle bins in the door cards. Okay, so down there you have one, over here on the other side you have one. All right, now like I mentioned earlier, the stereo takes USB, it takes an aux input, it also takes Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth can be used for music. It can also be used to receive phone calls. Okay, so once you pair it to the system, when you are driving, you don't have to hold the phone, which is very, very safe thing to do. Wow, great. I'm loving this car. Oh. the Suzuki S-Presso. Now, in the form of equipment, although I said it's quite Spartan, it has all the most important things that you need. So in the way of safety, you have airbags, okay? And these are SRS airbags. They're not just any kind of airbag. They are the best of the breed. And you also have pre-tension seat belts, okay? Then very, very, very solid ride, very good traction. Yeah, all the things that you need. This is a good car. Very, very good car. And like I mentioned, the key word here is affordability. Okay, so if you need a very affordable car, a beginner driver, a company car, a pool car, this should be number one on your list. Okay, we bring you the utility to deliver the goods and give you a very, very solid ROI. Okay, so for all you transport managers, all you mummies and daddies out there, if you are looking for a car for the beginner driver in your house, or you are looking for a company vehicle, this car, Suzuki S-Presso, should be number one on your list. All right, guys, it has been a wonderful session with this car, the Suzuki S-Presso, a small car with big utility intentions. And like I said, the key word is affordability. It's been so long, we've looked at so many interesting things. Now I'm just going to take off and enjoy my ride. Bye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ryde channel. Bye for now.